are the basic accounting terminology in accounts? In normal day life, we use these words, but it's come to accounting term, it has some difference meaning. So there is 24 accounting terms. Basically, we going to see about this class. First one is transaction, an activity which involves the transfer of money or money worth or from one person to another person. Normally, children, in day-to-day life, we transact some things for buying goods or reach nearby shop, we give money to the shop owner and get some quantity of goods. Is called transaction. Next one is cash transaction. Cash transaction means which involve the cash in that transaction. What? Cash. In transaction involved in cash is called cash transaction. Next one is credit transaction. If cash transaction means is involved in cash. In credit transaction, without cash, because the transaction which take place not receiving or not paid immediately is called credit transaction. Next one is account. We normally know that the account is bank account or some other Facebook account like that. But in accounting terminology, we divided into the term in the 4 categories. Okay, personal account, asset, expenditure, and income account. These are the 4 accounts we created in the accountancy. Another one is capital. We normally in English we use write in capital letter, but in business terminology, it's a first investment money of the owner which invested in the organization. Another one is, and next word is drawings. Drawing is nothing but if owner is taken for his personal use from the business or his own organization is called drawings. Another one is voucher. In every transaction there is an involved voucher. Voucher is nothing but a printed document which given by the seller, not buyer, which given by the seller. There is so much involved in voucher. One is cash receipt, invoice, cash memo, bank, and pay in slip, etc. In invoice, another topic is invoice. Invoice is it mentioned all the details of the product, like quantity, price, and the value of the product, and what are the discount allowed by the buyer. This all involved in the invoice. Next one is goods. Normal terminology, the good is known as which the organization is produced is called goods. But in accounting, for example, there is given an example. The furniture will be a goods for who dealing in furniture. Okay, furniture company வச்சிருக்காங்கன்னா அந்த furniture company goods deal பண்றாங்கன்னா அந்த furniture என்ன ஆயிடும், goods ஆ மாறிடும். இப்போ furniture company ஒரு கம்ப்யூட்டர் வாங்குறாங்கன்னா அது என்ன ஆயிடும்னா அசெட்டா மாறிடும். ஓகேவா, அதான் கூட்ஸுக்கும் அசெட்டுக்கும் டிஃபரன்ஸ். Another one is purchase. It's a layman term, children. Okay, purchase is buying anything from the producer. Okay, or the initiative of purchasing it. Another one is purchase return. You buy something, you like that it is not worth good. Okay, you have to return it to the which shop you are purchased. It's called purchase return. Another one is sales. It's also layman term, children. Okay, we have to sold goods to some other person. It's called sales. And next one is sales return. Okay, if we sales mean the sold is default goods, it will be returned to us. It's called sales return. It's also known as the return inward. Another one is stock. Stock is which is produced and kept in the organization. Okay, which have been produced and unsold and we have to kept in the organization is called stock. And another one is income. In organization we have received income in many terminology, like selling goods we earn profit, or investment we have interest, in stock market we get dividend, like that all income we have been getting from the organization. Another one is expenses. Okay, while producing or while making goods we have to make some expenses for produce goods and service, that is called expenses. And next one is solvency. These two are important topic, children. Solvency which have been the company the company which are capable of paying debts. Okay, we have to we don't involve all the money by myself. Okay, we have to get lend from others. Okay, in organization which have been segregate debts and their investment, it's called solvency. The insolvency means with the organization which are not able to pay the debts is called insolvency. And next topic, children, asset which have been the company purchase and keep by themselves. Okay, it's called asset. And liability means the company have to pay out some expenditure to the other. That's called liability. And debtors and creditors. I tell it as a story. Okay, you have two person involved. One is buyer, one is producer. Okay, organization. Another one is a person. Okay, who buy goods from the organization. This buyer is called a debtors because you have to pay money to the organization. It's called debtors. And creditors means the industry which have been get amount from goods from the suppliers is called creditors. And another one is depreciation and bad debts. The depreciation mainly involved in the asset only. Okay, every asset has some depreciation value. During the life period of time, the depreciation gradually reduces the value of a fixed asset. Another one is bad debts. It is the currency topic, children. Okay, bad debts means which have been company which have been not received money from the debtors is called a bad debts. Thank you, children. Thank you for the opportunity. Today lesson go well. If you have any questions, children, please don't hesitate yourself. Comment your questions in below the comment box. I will answer it individually.